Hello, amazing people. Welcome back to my channel. Guys are highly welcome. Thanks for stopping by. In this particular video, I'm going to show you guys how I was able to change this old fridge wig to a new look. How I was able to change it from that to this, from a old fridge wig to a new closure wig with few steps. When I say few steps, I mean it. Okay, you don't need to do much, just few things, and you have a brand new wig. To all my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. If you are here to subscribe, please consider doing that. So these are the materials we need. We need a closure depending on the size of closure you want. We need a needle and thread. We need our venting pin. Then we need hair. I have to use an extra hair for this because the wig is actually short. It's a 10 inches wig, so I have to use a different bundle, but it's the same texture, the same color with the hair. Okay, but if yours is longer, I mean your own hair is longer, you can as well just cut little part from the hair and then get your closure done. For this closure making, this is not edited video on how I was able to do this closure. Please watch my video on how to make closures. There are different ways you can do this. I'm making use of the slant method, double knotting. Okay, if you can use slant method, you can use single knot, you can use double method, double knotting. Anyone, I have all the videos on my channel. I'll still link paste the link to those videos on different ways you can make your own closures on the description of this one. So when I'm done doing the closure, the next thing is just for me to lose just the fridge part. Okay, you're not going to be losing everything, you're not going to be losing the whole hair. You're just going to lose just that fridge part and then replace it with our already customized closure. Please be careful when you are doing this and take your time. Even if you end up cutting the wig cap, maybe a little part of the wig cap while you are trying to lose the fridge, no problem. There's no need to panic. It won't affect anything because after everything you're still going to remove that part. Okay, so I just took my time and removed the fridge part for me to replace it with the closure. Okay, like I said, this is just few steps that you need to do, just few things, and you will transform your old fridge wig that you don't like or you don't want it to be fringe again and you need the closure wig. If the hair is still okay, the quality is okay, just go ahead and transform it using this process to a new look. So this is it when I'm done removing the fringe part. As you can see, I mistakenly cut little like tear some part of the wig cap, but it won't affect anything. Just place your closure, use a pin to secure it well. If you're following me, you know that I like it when my closure is laying flat on the cap, so that when I'm done sewing, I won't end up having any lump at all. Not when you're trying to comb your closure, something will be holding you because it's not how it's supposed to be. So when I'm done, I have to use a band to hold it. This will enable me to easily sew down the closure. Like I said, this is just few steps, few things that you have to do, and you have a brand new look. Okay, your hair will have a brand new look. When you are done with this, go ahead and sew the closure down. Like I said, you can use any size of closure you want. You can use 4x4 if you want. You can use 2x6. You can use 2x5, 2x4, just the one you want. And any pattern you prefer to vent the closure with is still okay. Okay, it mustn't be slant method. You can use vertical method to do your closure and still get a perfect closure. I have the videos, different ways you can actually customize a closure. I have all the videos on my channel. Please do well to check it out. So what I'm trying to do here is to just sew down the closure, and when I'm done sewing the closure, I have to those space you can see around the closure, I'll just fill them up. Okay, that's the next thing, filling up the space you can see around the closure. So if you follow me to this point and you know you've gotten one value or the other, please don't forget to give this video a like, leave a comment, and please share. If not join this family, is it that you are not learning anything from my videos or what? Subscribe and join the family. If there's anything you want me to make video on, please let me know in the comment section. So this is me trying to fill those space around the closure. I'm making use of the same hair, the ones I removed why I the one they for the fringe part. Okay, those hair that I lose is exactly what I'm using to fill the space around the closure. When I'm done with that side, I'll still do the same thing with this other side. And our hair is getting ready. We just have one more thing to do, and boom, we have a new look, a new hair, a closure from a wig, a fringe wig, old fringe wig to a brand new closure wig. So I'll do the same thing with this side again. And guys, I want to seek you guys opinion. Where are you still having issues with your either your braiding wigs or making braided wigs or venting hair? Where are you still having issues? Please share with me. There's no how I will know exactly what you people want me to do. Like where people are still having issues, there's no how I will know if you don't tell me. So the only way you can tell me is by dropping it in the comment section. Wherever place, whichever area, whichever process that you're still finding it difficult or you're still confused about, let me know in the comment section. I will make a video. When I mean detailed, you guys know my videos are always detailed, but I'll go more detailed explaining those places for you. It requires me going live to show you guys practical way I do it on a live video. Go ahead and let me know. Just tell me where you are still having issues in the comment section, and I will definitely promise I'm going to do something about it. So when I'm done with closure sewing, like I said, I told you guys we are still going to remove this part. So even if you do a mistake of cutting some parts, there's nothing to worry because we are still going to remove them, but not in a way that it won't allow you to sew down the closure. So you still have to be very more careful when you are trying to lose the closure part. And this is what we have. If the hair needs stretching, go ahead and stretch it with a straightener. Okay, if it doesn't, you are good to go. Now we have a brand new wig, a brand new hair from a fringe wig, old scattered fringe wig to this, a new look. So guys, if you know you found any value from this video, I think this video can help you solve one problem or the other you are having. Don't forget to give this video a like, comment. Like I say, if you have any issues, confusion, questions, let me know in the comment section. And please share my videos to all those that have been sharing, coming back from my videos. I really appreciate you guys. Are really the real person. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and then see you guys in my next upload. Do you want to see a video where you can make an African braid? You know, those African braid that we use rubber band, rubber thread to do in a wig. That's my next upload. Stay tuned so you don't miss out. Bye.